Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I am Selvani Zafira, and I am from Bachelor History Education at Lampung University. Now, I am going to talk about Peter Rebellion in Blitar 1945. For this reason, before going into future discussion here, I will tell you a little about the background before the map rebel in Blitar 1945. When Japan's success in conquering the Dutch East Indies at the beginning of the year 1942, Japan began to make adjustments. Japanese government planning for the Nippon expansionism because there are only a few people Islam was in Japan at that time. Japan top policy priorities are remove the influence of the West in the life of Indonesian people, and policy was applied because of the similarity of perception between Japan and Japan the Indonesian nation in terms of eliminating Western influence and domination. The hatred of the Indonesian people, the Dutch government used by Japan to approach Muslims in rural areas and Islamic leaders such as Kiai, ulama, and leader nationalism. Also used to mobilize the masses to increase production for the benefit of the liberator and protector of Islam. That is Japan. But at a later stage, the mobilization was assured for the bigger on is the greater as Asia War. Wow, that's an interesting story for the map rival in Blitar 1945. Also, the reason why I made it interesting to present it is that it turned out that the Indonesian people's tactic with the existence of this map are very useful for the interest of our nation, at the time the Indonesians still had successful those of the tactic of our foreign countries. Also, I want to dig deeper into one of the bigger revelation in the scope of the map was the Peta Rebellion in Blitar on February 14, 1945. For that, let's start with the three divisions of material that we will discuss this morning. First, I will discuss the beginning of the arrival of the Japanese to Indonesia. Next, I will discuss the emergence of map rebellion. Finally, we will discuss the impact of the Peta Rebellion in Blitar 1945. Let's start with a discussion. Beginning of the arrival of the Japanese to Indonesia. Starting in 1942, Japanese troops landed on the island of Java. The Dutch uprising was mainly in their every battlefield withdrawal. Then the time has come for the Dutch as in this government. Dutch at that time on March 8, the Dutch ex in this government surrendered without condition for Japan. Leader signed by Lieutenant General ported at Galijati Airport with Java. Since it ended the Dutch rule Indonesia. So this was the beginning of the Japanese occupation of Indonesia, especially on the island of Java. Then next is about the emergency of map rebellion. Then because of the disappointment of the PETA, difference of the veteran army that started 1944, which has since brought comfort within. They then live battalion commander at a major Ritter himself, then the condition of the people was severe enough. The Japanese government was always detrimental to the Indonesian people. Therefore, there were several uprisings in Bijers in Petascope was the Peta Rebellion in Blitar on February 14, 1944. The rebellion was led by Supriyadi, followed by about half of her Daijan members because it does not can bear to see the suffering experienced by his family and the people around him due to Japanese occupation. Finally, it discussed the impact of the Petar Rebellion in Blitar 1945. Originally, the formation of the MAP organization was to fulfill Japanese war interests in the Pacific Ocean in the face of the aliens UK and America. But it later developments the map is very large. The benefits for the Indonesian people to achieve victory in the struggle physically different to independence of the Republic of Indonesia against the Allies and then PETA organization is to nationalism and is considered very dangerous Japan's position over Indonesia territory in 1945. PETA disbanded so from the impact of the PETA rebellion in Blitar, which initially frustrated a spirit ever of the soldiers, PETA warriors, and not the spirits to show Indonesian to be selfless Japanese soldier, but on the contrary encouraging to be patriot Indonesian people who are facing the independence of their nations. The emergency, the rebellion was not only due the dissatisfaction with the Japanese treatment the Indonesian people, but was also included with the spirit that Indonesia must be independent. Well, this is all I can convey regarding the map of the rebellion in Blitar 1945. Please, audience, if there is still something that is not understood, I invite you to ask. Alright, it is enough and there nothing else to ask, then I confess the conclusion of our presentation this morning. In conclusion, the PETA rebellion in Blitar arose because the Japanese government arbitrarily destroyed the Indonesian people by forcing for forced labor Romusa, being made soldier, handing over the agricultural product. First, the Indonesian people are forced to work but cannot enjoy the result besides Japan used promises to attract the attention of the Indonesian people, namely promising to be given independence in later on. The people bond and help Japan start coming to become a developed country. Things such as attitude at spearing areas nationalism in the case of Indonesian youth. Then the overs of PERTA members held a meeting carried by Supriyadi. The result of the meeting agreed to halt a rebellion because it was no longer their can stand to see the suffering the people and want to exercise independence. Finally, on February 4, 1944, the PETA rebellion began, which started by mortar fire, but the rebellion was actually executed by the Japanese army. They and the perpetrators of the rebellion were brought to justice by Japan. They have resisted the death penalty and punishment, life imprisonment. To carry out the rebellion. Supriyadi formed groups to as interstate Japanese government so that in the Peta rebellion in Blitar itself failed, but from this failure encouraged the youth of Blitar in particular and youth Indonesian in general for independence. On the other hand, Japan is under pressure. The greater ASEAN and Allied emirs were then formed. Independence here was one of the influence of the Peta rebellion in Blitar of called the fake independence. Well, thank you for your attention and sorry if my words are word I end. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.